Hello, my friend. I have a good news for all of you. I woke up this morning, and I realized today is the day. We accomplished a great milestone. We just reached 69 subscribers. I am very grateful and amazed for this accomplishment. Thank you for your warm support. And now, let me thank you in my own way. I will sacrifice these two men in the sea of death and welcome you to my home. What a great intro, right? Now, just like what I've said earlier, welcome to my home. Actually, this is not mine. I'm homeless as fuck. I need money to get one, so subscribe to my poor humble channel to buy me one. And also I'm going to have a $1,500 Amazon gift card giveaway to my 69th and 70th subscriber. Now let's start our celebration for this memorable moment. Follow me, my son. Good day, my valuable followers. Today is the day we reached a very important milestone. We just reached 69 subscribers in just 2 fucking days, and I'm not even surprised by that, because I'm a fucking god. Now, if you are asking what are we going to do with that 69 subscribers? That's a good question. The answer is we are going to celebrate this by helping these kind of people, feeding this poor children, building eye-catching structures, more hospitals and schools, donating tons of cash to charities, and creating the most fucking hardcore party ever happened. So, without further ado, let's start now. Welcome to my hardcore party. It has everything you need until you die. We have balloons, clowns, cookies, the Bible, this depressed goth girl, sexy heterosexual girls, this straight dude, Barack Obama, Osama bin Laden, and many people that made our world a better place. And now are you ready to the most fucking hardcore party ever?